Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, as we all know that Gogo Skhotseni recently lost her son and she is currently grieving or like going through the most with the death of her son, but at the same time she is just continuing to live life. She is living her life. She is back to work, getting gigs and all of that. So she recently shared in a podcast on her channel the struggles that she went through.
He's not there, but I miss him. I don't question why he's not there, but I miss him. I miss him so much.
It's okay, man.
Like, I miss him so much. But maybe he's at peace. I don't know. No, it's not okay. It's not okay. He's not gonna come back. But at the same time, he's not in pain. So every time I think of crying, I feel like I'm disappointing him because he never cried. My son never cried. My son was stronger than me. My son never cried, guys. He never cried. So if I cry, I feel like I'm failing him because that's not who he was. And that's not what he would have wanted. Oh, just a lot happened. I lost everything, dude. I lost my houses. I lost my cars. I lost my marriage.
She just shared, Kaizeni, the struggles that she went through, losing her son, losing her marriage, and we also didn't know that she lost her house and the cars, So she is currently going through the most, and people see her going to gigs and getting back to work. They think, oh no, she is not hurt. She is just living her life without considering the life of her son. But Kaizeni, it is so sad to see her cry like that, especially when people are just saying all the bad things about her. So like, she is just doing gigs and going back to work because, as she said, that she lost the house, lost the cars, and also I think maybe it's just a coping mechanism to just forget about everything because she is going through the most. You can see that she is still not healed. I just wish her all the best, and may the soul of the beautiful baby boy rest in peace. I just love the fact that she has so much faith in God. She is a woman of God. Yes, she is a sangoma, but she has faith in God. Like, even when she talks, you can just hear she mentions God, and which is a good thing. It's really a good thing, guys. It's a good thing because she knows that God will restore her, and she also knows that her son is resting now because he has been sick ever since he was born, So she understands that it was God's will, but obviously it will hurt even if it was God's will. I just wish her all the best and all the healing. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also please support the channel by sending super thanks. I would really appreciate it, and also watch the ads. I will see you on my next one.